As the fall weather rolls in, it is important to keep your chicks warm and cozy so they stay healthy and happy. Today, I will show you how to create a safe, warm environment for your chicks as the temperatures start to drop. You can staple breathable fabric or plastic around any exposed area to prevent wind from getting in. Make sure that you leave some area uncovered for ventilation to avoid moisture buildup. If using a heat lamp, be sure to place it at a safe distance to prevent overheating and check regularly to be sure it's not too hot or too cold. You can use thermometer to track the temperature inside the coop. Add extra straw, pie shaving, or dry leaf to help insulate the floor and nesting box. Make sure the bedding is placed away from any door or window to avoid drafts. As it gets colder, be sure to keep the water fresh and unfrozen. With this simple step, your chick will stay warm and cozy through the fall season. Keep your eye on them as the temperature drops. Enjoy the season with your flock. Thanks for watching. See you next time.